Hey there, guys. So, you wanna know the secret to getting your kids hooked on reading? Well, you're in the right place because today, I'm gonna spill the beans on how to develop a reading habit in those little ones. First things first, make reading fun. No one likes being forced to do something, right? So, let's keep it light and exciting. Find books that cater to your child's interests, whether it's dinosaurs, princesses, or astronauts. Trust me, there's a book for every kiddo out there. Next up, lead by example. Show your kids that reading is cool by reading in front of them. Let them see you get lost in the pages of a good book and they'll wanna do the same. Plus, reading together can be a great bonding experience. Now, let's talk about creating a reading nook. You know, a cozy little corner where your child can escape into the world of books. Add some comfy cushions, a soft blanket, and maybe even some fairy lights for that extra magical touch. Trust me, they'll never wanna leave. Don't forget to take regular trips to the bookstore or library. Let your child pick out their own books and watch their excitement grow as they explore new worlds and characters. Oh, and don't be afraid to mix it up with some ebooks or audiobooks. Variety is the spice of life, right? And finally, celebrate their reading milestones. Whether it's finishing a book, learning a new word, or simply sitting still for a whole chapter, make sure to give them a high five or a little treat to keep their motivation going. And there you have it, folks. Developing a reading habit in kids is all about making it enjoyable, showing them the way, and creating a magical reading environment. So go on, dive into the wonderful world of books with your little ones and watch their love for reading blossom. Thanks for watching, and happy reading!